Hi, I'm Dr. Sagish, Health First Chiropractic Clinic. I also work with ChiroPros and Innovation Health and Spine in East Lansing, Michigan. Um, Story that I was asked to tell, so I'm going to tell this story. It's a really cool story. It's about a young girl who came to see me about 2 years ago for scoliosis. This patient's mom drove about 3 hours down to Grand Rapids to see me. Anyway, um, so we took x-rays, we evaluated this patient, and this patient had what's called a red flag. So there's a warning, and we needed an MRI to confirm that there was no neurological issues with this patient. So I had a PA, phenomenal guy working for me, and he said, "Doc, it's going to be tough because the patient has no pain, no symptomatology. So I don't know if they're going to approve an MRI." And I said, "Well, let's try." So he orders the MRI and got denied by the insurance company. So he appeals the MRI and he goes to an NP consultation and got denied as well. And then he appeals again to the final level of appeal, which was a medical doctor. And the medical doctor was aware of this red flag. And the medical doctor says, "We normally only approve MRIs on kids younger than 10, and this patient's 10. And that PA said she was 9 when we took the x-rays. And so the MD approves this MRI, and sure enough, neurological defect pops up on the MRI, and the patient needed brain surgery. And this condition of the patient, which was just told to me recently, was interesting. That when the x-rays were taken, this was a kid who had no headaches, no neck pain, nothing. By the time the surgery was done, the patient was in a wheelchair. And now the patient is better walking, the normal kid again, except has severe scoliosis. So we get to brace this patient to get her life back, and this is a story that I was asked to share, so I'm sharing. So if you want to reach out to me about anything, I'm available in Caledonia, 616-275-2040. Thank you.